Hello everyone, my name is Prasanna-Kumar. Today I am here to explain about the basics of JavaScript. The first basic is variable declaration and assign. This is the set of code about the variable declaration. In this, the keywords I used are let and constant. Let, let keyword is used because when we use the let keyword, the variable can be changed at any time. For example, here temperature is equal to 22.5. This is the current temperature, but later on we can change the temperature. Const keyword is used because the variables that are declared using const keyword cannot be changed because here the city name is New York. We cannot change the city name. To print the messages in JavaScript, we use the name console.log. This is the keyword print the messages. And the second basic is arrays. Here in this code we will know the basics of declaration of an array. Here let is the keyword and the colors is the name of an array. Here we are having the four colors: red, green, blue and yellow. Let keyword is used because we can modify the array at any time in the code. We can add and delete the colors, or like we can delete the members of an array at any time in the code. Here push operation is used to push the elements into the array. We can access the elements of an array using their index values. In this line we have used the color index of 3. So here in our code, index 3 is having yellow, so the output is yellow. And again colors dot line dot function is used to get the output. Here initially the length of the array is 4, but after we have pushed the another color, so the output is 5. And the third basic is declaration of functions. Here declare function, we have to use the keyword function, and here this is calculate the area is the name of a function and radius is the argument that is passed. For example, here I have taken to print the radius of a circle, area of a circle. Here return is used to return the value from the function. For example, here the area is equal to calculate area 5. This is the method to call the function, and here 5 is the argument for the radius. This line of code will print the area. And the another basic is object declaration. We can see in this block of code. Let is the keyword and book is the object name. Here we have created a list of objects for the title, author, year. Here we have created a function with curly braces. Loops, there are two types of loops. They are for loop and while loop. We can see this as in both C language, Java, and we can easily learn this. For loop, here initially in this example I have taken a variable called sum and assigned a value to 0. And for loop have three types of arguments. First one, declaration of a variable, and condition, and increment or decrement. This is the condition. Here initially I have declared a variable I and assigned its value to 1, and this was less than or equal to 5, and I have incremented this. Sum plus or is equal to I. This means sum is equal to sum plus I. It will add the sum of the numbers from 1 to 5. The sum of numbers from 1 to 5 is printed in this line, and the output is 15. The second loop is while loop. Here I have declared a variable with keyword let and assigned a value to 10, and in this example I am finding the factorial of a number, and again I declared a variable with let keyword factorial and assigned its value to 1. While loop. In this while loop I have written a condition number greater than 1. So Until the number gets less than 0, less than 1, the while loop executes until reaches the condition. Here factor is equal to factor into number. Number in this line, the number decrements, and this in this for loop, the number increments. Finally, in this line, it prints the output. Thank you.